Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care.
Hey girl, welcome to another video. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Domonique, and if you are not new, hey girl, hey, thank you so much for coming back by. Today's video is going to be a pantry makeover. Basically, I'm just going to be taking everything out and organizing everything. It's just a disaster. Just period, it's a disaster. So I had fun doing this project was very fun. I will say, just looking on Pinterest, I was very intimidated by like all the pictures. I'm like, I cannot get my pantry to look like this, like, oh my goodness. But after starting to like buy stuff and just placing stuff in the pantry, I just started seeing my vision come to life. So I may continue to add different things to the pantry, and you guys will probably see that in my vlog. But for right now, this is what I came up with. So if you guys want to see the process of me organizing my pantry, continue to watch. So don't judge me, y'all. It's like so not organized. It's just and I knew that I was going to be like reorganizing and just cleaning it. So lately I just been just throwing this stuff in here, just like, what is this? What is this? This is ridiculous. This big high chairs in here. This thing needs to go. Actually, Summer still uses it, but still. Okay. Yeah, it's just too much. We have this grill, crock pot, George Foreman, like all of this stuff. It just needs to be organized. Got the toaster, just not organized at all. So yeah, we're gonna be working on this today.
I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby.
Why put an empty box back up
Get
there?
a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want.
Do y'all see this? This is just like what in the world? And then I know all this stuff was in the pantry. It's just a lot. So basically it's cleared out. I'm getting ready to just clear everything down, wipe everything down, sweep, mop, and then we're gonna start putting everything back in here. And I kind of underestimated like how much stuff I have. I have gotten rid of a lot of stuff because yeah, a lot of stuff was out of date. A lot of like canned goods and stuff. So I might still condense this down a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna just start putting everything back in there. Oh yeah, I was saying I underestimated how many baskets and different things I would need. So I may have to run out and go get some more baskets to go in here. But yeah, here is what we're looking like so far.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the television.
here's all of the baskets and things that I got. I kind of underestimated how much stuff I had in the pantry. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to run out and get some more baskets. So I have 3 different sizes. I have this size right here, which is like the middle size. I have this smaller size right here. I'm not sure if I even want to keep the smaller sizes because I'm just like, I would rather just get at least some more of this size right here. And then I have 2 of the like larger size baskets. And I got these from Burlington. The big ones was $8.99. The middle size was, no. The big one was, yeah, $8.99. The middle size, $7.99. And then the smaller size was $5.99. So that was not bad at all. And then I picked up some acrylic, where are they at? Then I picked up 3 acrylic bins, and I mainly got these for the girl snacks, and I wanted something see-through so they can see what it is. And I was thinking to put this like on the bottom shelf so they can reach this. I can be like, go get your snack, and they can go to the bin. And then I also ordered these on Amazon. They are clip label holders, so basically you can label the bins and you can know what's in the bin, especially with the baskets like this, because you can't visually see what's in it. So it will be great for, like, you know, if someone's over and they're looking for something, you could definitely have it labeled. And I know myself, I'll forget. So we're going to be doing that. But yeah, I think I might have to go and get some more bins. I want to measure this up and see if it's gonna be too big for the shelf, because I really don't want it hanging down too much, and that's kind of like a hazard too, because I know how the girls are. They'll come in there, and I know Summer, she'll try to, like, you know, I can see her trying to pull on the bin, and I don't want anything to tumble on top of her. But here's a larger size, and it comes over just a little bit, which I don't feel like it's too bad. I don't know. I don't think it's too bad the way that it comes over. Or should I put it up higher? I don't know. I don't know if I should put it up higher or what. So I'm gonna organize the bins in here, see how it fits, and see what's gonna go in which, and what do I need more of. So I like how these look right here. I feel like this is a good spot for the bins. Maybe I'm thinking I might just do 2, because I don't think they have a lot, like tons and tons of snacks. And I don't know. I'm gonna keep it like this for right now. All right, so I have this basket right here with, like, you know, the stovetop stuffing mix, cornbread mix, macaroni and cheese, like these little these easy quick side dishes or like meals. I'm gonna put them in this big basket. I'm actually thinking I might go try to find some more of these big ones, just because I can fit a lot more in it. I took one of the middle sizes and I put all like our baking stuff for, like, when we do cupcakes, cake mix, sprinkles, powdered sugar, brown sugar, different stuff like that. And I'll probably label this one baking. Don't really know what to label this one. I'm gonna put this one right here. I took one of the acrylic bins and I put, like, the ranch dressing. Like, I try to, like, keep ranch in stock, like different dressings, so I put that in here. I don't know, I may just like move that and add it to the top, because I have like the extra canned goods that I'll probably put up here at the top. So I'll probably just put one out and the rest put it at the top. I don't know, I'm just playing around with everything, but this is how we are looking so far. So we got that right there. I'm gonna label that. I'm getting ready to start putting the like this stuff right here. What is this? Like the what I'm trying to smoothie maker, what blender and everything back in here. I'm gonna wipe it down first. Y'all, this pink stuff, this spray is bomb. You should definitely get some of this. It's the bomb. Like, I absolutely love this. So I have this 8-pack of storage containers. I got this from Sam's a while ago, and I just never really, you know, took it out and used it. So I'm getting ready to put, I don't have any cereal, so I'm going to the grocery store after this, because after I see what I need, I'll go and, you know, just stock up. Anyways, I feel like these are probably like the only ones I'm going to use. I probably won't even use the smaller ones too much. Of course, before you know, put anything in here, you want to wash it. But I just left the spaghetti noodles in the plastic, and they actually have the date right here. Alright, so it's looking a lot more organized with the baskets and just everything. Like, it just looks so much better. What I'm thinking is I'm going to go back to Burlington, see if they have any more of these acrylics, so I can get some more for like different snacks, chips, everything. You know, I'll put the stuff up there. Everything is looking so much, you know, better, organized. Alright, so in the clip label holders, you get your pens so you can write and label like on each clip what's inside. So here's what they look like. I believe these were probably, I want to say maybe $24. I will link them down below. Like I just put snacks, and then on this one I put sauce because I have like spaghetti sauce in here, have some Alfredo sauce, pizza sauce, taco sauce. So that's just like sauce. I may label this one fruit, I don't know. I just don't know what to label. Like, what is this, condiments or dressings? I don't know. So yeah, I just gotta finish that out. And then over here I'm gonna put foil, Ziploc bags. I gotta label that one. Hey, what's up, y'all? So it's later on in the day. I went shopping. I went looking for some more storage bins and more acrylic bins. I could not find the exact ones that I have, so I ended up getting some different ones, which I guess it probably won't make too big of a difference. So I found this basket right here. It's a little bit shorter, but it's like the same size as the bigger baskets. I'll probably put chips in this for the girls, so they can just like reach it themselves. And these are the acrylic bins that I found right here from Burlington. Probably sit the bread in here like this. I really need a bigger bin for the bread. However, I mean, this would be fine. So far, here is what we're looking like. We have all of this stuff over here. Ziploc bags, aluminum foil, got my sodas. This is where I keep the mop, broom. I might get some things to put on the wall to go right here. I think I showed y'all earlier, sauce, canned goods. I might get something else for the canned goods. I'm not 100% sure. I need to get another basket for these items right here. Cereal, I'll probably just keep those like that because I don't think I'm gonna transfer them to like the cereal containers, just because that's fine. That's, I mean it's right there, is fine. These are extra canned goods like my greens, corn. We got popcorn, ice cream cones, baking materials. I'll probably get another basket for this stuff right here. This is my tea and my vitamin C packets that I put in my smoothies, and macaroni. I gotta find somewhere else for that to go. We got nuts and salad toppings right here. This stuff right here, I don't know what I want to do with this right here. Maybe if I can find another crate just this size, that would be perfect. Got some drinks right here. Chips are right here. I keep the extra juices down there. Watermelon. Fruit, I usually keep the fruit on the counter. We're gonna try it out in here, see how that goes. Then snacks, bread right here. So right now, here's what everything is looking like, and I just have extra stuff up there, just like extra syrup and pancake mix that, I mean, I already have one out. So here's how it's looking. It looks a lot better than how it was looking previously. It looks a little bit more functional and just easier to get to stuff. I can come in here, I can see where everything is, basically. As was before, everything was just jumbled up together. I just did not know what I had. So, I mean, it looks a lot better than what it did. So thank you so much for watching this video. Also, let me know, did this motivate you to organize your pantry? I will try to find different baskets because I know every Burlington does not have the same items. So I will try to find some similar baskets online, and I will have them linked down below along with the acrylic containers that I was showing you guys. I will try to find some of those and link those down below. And also that pink spray that I showed y'all, you need to get it, period. Like, I absolutely love that spray. It is vegan approved, and it just does not have like this strong scent, which I love, and it gets the job done. It cleans really, really well. But thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I will see you guys in my next video.
And you